This is the finals, the 4x400 relay state meet in the freaking ring. Nate Sharp running lane first leg. Bradley's running lane 2 or leg 2. They're in lane 1. Take the strap off around my neck, please.
Watch Bradley.
There's Bradley.
Come on, Bradley!
Go, Bradley!
Go, Bradley!
I can't see. Get the umbrella out.
Go, Bradley! Woo!
Come on, Bradley.
Come on, Bradley, you can do it! Woo, Bradley! Woo! Look at him go!
I'm standing up. I'm standing up. Oh, Heidi.
Go, Bradley! You look awesome! You killed everyone! Stay with it.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Go, Bradley! You're awesome!
Go, Bradley! Go, Bradley! Yeah, Bradley! Wow, Bradley! Wow! Good job, Bradley! That was awesome. Dude, you freaking killed it, Bradley. Wow.
Awesome, Bradley! Woo! Yeah. That's fast.
Yeah, he did. He got it in what place?
Not first. Well, I guess still.
Oh, come on.
Don't give it up.
Here he goes. He's kicking. He's kicking. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Go, go, go! Doesn't
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Yeah! Good kick, baby. Go, go, go! A bad handoff.
Come on, you can do it! Oh my gosh, look at killing it.
That's a big gap.
Come on!
Heidi, get off my line.
Eureka, coming to fifth, Desiree Hill.
You guys gonna get past.
It's no problem. Eureka. No problem. Desiree Hill. We got
Dang it.
one heat.